everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Aiden Teaches Math, and today we're going to look about a little bit easy but very fun class about factorials. So now let's get into it. Today's lesson is about factorials, fun facts, and its proofs. So you probably know what a factorial is. For example, n factorial equals 1 times 2 times ... times n. You probably know this. This is like 7th grade math or something. So you probably know what a combination is and what the combination, and probably, I'm not sure, but permutation. So we got combination and permutation both using n factorial. I use an exclamation mark like this, but I'll just write like this for your convenience. So you probably know n factorial and that this is a number from 1 to n, which is could be right from pi I equals 1 to n I. So we're gonna go into fun facts. Today's video is very short. It's only about like 5 minutes or so, and I'm not sure if you guys will like it because the quality is so bad compared to the last video. But you should be aware that I'm filming this video on 4 o'clock in the morning. So let's get into it. Fun facts we're going to look. First thing we look is that 10 factorial seconds equals exactly 6 weeks. I'm not sure if this was right, but this is some week. So if you look at it 1 time, 2 times, something like that, we're going to write everything 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10. If you look at it, let's get away with a day first and then 7 days. So 7 days and 24 hours . 24 hours and 1 hour 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Wait, I should go with a different way. Let's start again. So 7 days, 24 hours, 60 minutes, and 60 seconds. Why doesn't it work? Let's just tend to see it again. So what I've got left is we've got 7 weeks. We've got... Oh, now I get it. So we could get out 60 seconds again. So 10, and then this leaves 2, and this is 2. So this means 6 weeks. So the first fact is that 10 factorial is 6 weeks. And now, this is not about factorials, but this is very important in these days mathematics. So if you take a look at it, this is very interesting. We're going to take a look at pi. Pi is actually 1 times 3 times 5 times something. Do all the way, divide it by 2, 4, 6, and everything. So for example, if we just like do this much, this is not actually close, because if we need to do it about 5,000 times to get it really close, and we could get the exact pi. This is probably by John Willis from England. And if you take a look at 2, 4, 6, and 1, 3, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, 4, 2, 1.6, which gives us 3.2. So, not this, except this, we know that we have another way to calculate pi. And we know another way to calculate e. Well, we could calculate pi by Buffon's needle problem, but except from that, I can calculate e. I found it. E to the power of x equals, where's my equal like this? E to the power of x equals sigma k equals 0 to infinity k factorial under x to the power of k. Well, actually, this video is really short because maybe I talked in a British accent, or maybe because I'm too fast. And I don't know, I do not have a lot of things, so proofs is in that part. So with factorials, I'm not gonna only do factorials, I'm gonna do one more subject. I'm gonna do one more subject that is different from factorial, but really important. This subject is called combinatorics, as you learned, but not that combinatorics like proofing. But I have one more combinatorics in my mind, called combination and permutation, as I said before, NPR and NCR. NCR equals R factorial, N minus R factorial, under N factorial. This is probably right. And NPR equals N minus R factorial and N factorial. This is done. So actually our thing today, it's only about 7 to 8 minutes. Maybe 6 minutes because I cannot look at the time right now. Actually, if you see, it was like 4 o'clock when I started, and why is it too short? I stopped it, I drank water, I'm going to die. It's 4 in the morning, bro. So if you need help, call ATMTeachersMath@gmail.com. And I'm just gonna give you my second mail for my fans. I have Aiden Teaches Math, but there's a catch. Aiden Teaches Math fan at gmail.com. Okay, so Aiden Teaches Math fan. Please contact here. Anyways, you did great. See you next time with a new video. Not as easy as this time. I'm going to see you with a new combinatorics video, I think factorials, because this is so important in combinatorics, we need it. So in my next video with invariance theorem, you should know factorials. Actually, you don't. I'm going to do about combinatorics, combinations, and permutations. Thank you for listening. This is Aiden Teaches Math. Aiden Teaches Math out, and see you next time with a new video of invariance theorem. Thank you very much.